3 years experienced UiPath student review from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala.
I'm Praveen. So I was attending AllPro trainings from almost like 3 to 4 months from now. So the training has been completed, and the trainer has given a very good opportunity for covering like a lot of good subjects, as well as he cleared so many doubts regarding UiPath and all. So I was able to go through certain topics that I like. For example, like UiPath, this topic or this tool I had learned from my by myself using Udemy and all. So I haven't got any proper trainer oriented classes. So this is my first time attending this kind of classes, and this was actually taken by Mr. Shiva, and he was very good at covering most of the topics on UiPath, and now I am able to understand most of the things in UiPath, like from the basics and all to certain things in UiPath. So this was a very good opportunity to learn most of the things, and I'm very happy about this class. So thank you all pro trainings for like giving me like a very good class regarding the basics of UiPath. So that's all. Yeah.